always say in this whole cabinet, but I always say, you let us down.
Why not take no more compromise? No more compromise. That's the end of your politics. No more compromise. My friend, my friend with the 3 C's. Wallahi tallahi. But ending your political career forever. Of course.
What about his children for crying out loud? Na san shi as my boss.
Dan akuya kai ne dan akuya kai ne dan akuya kai ne dan akuya kai ne dan akuya